How to change the TikTok notification sound. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, you will learn how you can change your TikTok notification sound in your device. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your settings application from your device. Here scroll below and tap onto apps. Search for TikTok. Once done, tap onto it and you will see the option that says notifications under privacy. Tap open it. Here tap on notification categories at the bottom page. You will see the list of TikTok notification categories. Tap on any one that you would like to change. For instance, I'm tapping on audio live. Here you will see an option of sound. Tap onto it and from here you can choose any sound that you would like to be your audio live notification. You can do the same for new followers as well. Tap on the new followers, scroll below and tap on the sound and choose your sound. Once done, go back. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.